Good morning, Peters Canyon Trailblazers. This is Mrs. Carreras. I want to welcome all of you to Red Ribbon Week 2019. We have a great week ahead scheduled for you, and I hope you have a great time. Now, on to some things that have been happening around Peters Canyon. Here are some pictures of Mrs. Lee's class. They're with their big buddies, teaching them all about Microsoft Whiteboard. Here's also a picture of second graders in Mrs. Lee's class playing a dice game of greater than, less than. Writing celebrations were happening over the last couple of weeks. Here are our second graders enjoying their writing celebration, enjoying a nice snack, and also giving one another feedback on their writing. Here's Mrs. Shattles' class. They went on a map scavenger hunt. Also last week, our awesome coaches, Mrs. Smith and Mrs. Bruckler, went to classes and taught students about changing your voices to sound like different characters in the book to help us comprehend the story. Here are some more pictures of Mrs. Lee's scientists and mathematicians at work. They were studying where a river begins and ends. Also on the left, you can see them studying their place value. Here are Mrs. Limos's and Mrs. Owen's big buddies helping each other, and also Addison's mom was the guest reader in her class. Lastly, here are some pics of Mrs. Pinedo's class celebrating their writing celebration at the park. And now, friends, it's time for Mindful Monday. Today we're going to do some shoulder rolls. So I'd like for you to sit in your chair, sit up straight and tall, and pull your belly in. Squeeze your shoulders up as high as you can. Try to reach your shoulders all the way to your ears. Take in a long breath. Let it out and lower your shoulders down. Now make circles with your shoulders. Lift them up and then press them back. Lower them down and then press them forward. Keep going, rolling your shoulders in a big circle. Do it one more time. Roll your shoulders in a big circle. Now give your shoulders a good wiggle and shake them out. Great job, Trailblazers. Have an awesome week.